The Epson Disk Producer realizes high-quality data writing and label printing. Supporting a wide range of business situations. Epson Disk Producer. Compact installation space. The disk producer internal structure has been rationally designed to realize a compact size and full front operation. It requires only a limited installation space, allowing it to be installed freely. By specially designing the internal structure, it has been possible to incorporate the functions into a compact and simple square-shaped form without wasting space. Its compact size allows installation in any location, such as alongside a PC. In addition, full front operation and the flat top panel means that the top panel can also be utilized as a space for storing disks or documentation. Since the operation noise is quiet, Disk Producer may also be used in ordinary office situations. For the production of large numbers of disks, several disk producers can be arranged in a limited space. Three operation modes that can be selected for each application. Standard mode, batch mode, and external output mode. For the output of 50 disks or less, set standard mode and then place the disks in Stacker 1. Disks will be transported and data writing will be carried out in the two drives. After label printing is completed, the disks will be output to Stacker 2. Up to 50 disks can be created in this mode. The standard mode is most appropriately used for the production of between 5 and 50 disks. For the output of between 51 and 100 disks, set batch mode. Place the disks in Stacker 1 and Stacker 2, and then set Stacker 3 in the Stacker 4 position. The first 50 disks will be transported from Stacker 2, and data writing will be carried out in the two drives. After label printing is completed, the disks will be output to Stacker 3. The disks from disk 51 onwards will be transported from Stacker 1, and data writing will be carried out in the two drives. After label printing is completed, the disks will be output to Stacker 2. The total number of disks that can be output is up to 100 disks. The batch processing mode is most appropriately used for production of large numbers of disks. For the output of between 1 and 5 disks, set external output mode, and then place the disks in Stacker 1 or 2. The discs will be transported and data writing will be carried out. After label printing is completed, the discs will be output to stack of 4. It is possible to remove the discs by pulling out stack of 4 without opening the disc cover. The external output mode is most appropriately used for production of small numbers of discs. Accu Grip secures reliable disc transport. Created through Epson's original technical development, Accu Grip reliably carries out disc transport to realize trouble-free production. Accu Grip is the disc pickup device at the tip of the disc transport arm. The features of Accu Grip include a function in which a conical guide disc centers the disc position, a function that uses 3 independently operating picks to securely grip discs, even those in unstable positions, and a function to prevent discs from sticking together that utilizes kick levers located in the tip to detach discs that have become attached. Discs picked up using Accu Grip are reliably transported to the next process by the highly precise arm without dropping discs from high positions or letting them slip. If there is no reliable pickup function such as Accu Grip, discs that have become stuck together will be transported as they are to the writing drive, causing possible production stoppages and drive breakdowns. Disc Producer incorporates Epson's inkjet technology to realize high-quality label printing. Epson's printing technology has been optimally incorporated in the Disc Producer to offer clear reproduction, from beautiful photographs to detailed characters. Here, an introduction is given to the 3 Disc Producer printing characteristics. There is little permeation of ink, allowing discs to be used with the confidence that images will remain attractive over a long period of time. Images printed on discs will permeate over long periods. However, with Disc Producer, although there will be differences depending on which disc is being used, there will be little ink permeation. This is because Epson's 6-color dye inks have the characteristic of quickly and vertically penetrating into the ink-receiving layer of the label surface, and of changing little over time. Because gradations are printed smoothly, photographs can be attractively reproduced. Smoothly changing gradations are essential for reproducing photographs. Disc Producer prints smooth gradations with no apparent color boundaries. This is because technologies are incorporated to smoothly reproduce the changes between colors using 6-color inks that combine intermediate colors, such as light cyan and light magenta. Technologies are used that optimally adjust the printer driver to match the 3 types of labels. This technology is a direct result of Epson's long history of printer development. Epson's unique Printhead Piezo technology is technology that adjusts the size of the ink droplet in 2 stages, using small ink droplets for bright areas and large droplets for dark areas, so that graininess is not apparent. These 3 technologies allow printing of attractive photographs. By using Epson-approved discs, it is possible to realize even higher quality printing and water resistance. Although hand perspiration and other liquids will be absorbed into the disc surface, as long as Epson-approved discs are used, the printed images will remain stable, allowing the discs to be used in a wide variety of applications. Disc Producer, which has these types of printing characteristics, can be utilized in a wide variety of business situations. Independent large-capacity ink cartridges for each color. Exclusive large-sized ink cartridges have been developed for Disc Producer. Because the cartridge replacement frequency will be low, work can be carried out efficiently. The large-sized ink cartridges incorporated in Disc Producer contain a much larger volume of ink than other companies' ink cartridges. When printing this kind of label, successive printing of approximately 1,000 discs can be realized. As each color cartridge is independent, it is possible to replace only the color that has run out, which is more economical. In contrast, the combined ink cartridges utilized by many other companies contain 3 color cartridges in one, which means even if only one of the colors runs out, the ink remaining in the other cartridges will also have to be replaced, which is uneconomical. Total Disc Maker. The Epson Total Disc Maker application software, uniquely developed by Epson, realizes efficient disc production using simple operation. The application allows the consecutive series of operations up to registration of data for writing, label creation, and disc issuing to be carried out in 3 successive steps. Step 1. Registration of data for writing. Allows registration of the data for writing to be swiftly carried out using drag and drop operation. Step 2. Label creation. Various functions including a rich variety of templates, text editing, image pasting, and data tree image pasting have been incorporated to allow selection to match the application. Step 3. Disc issuing. Because the data for writing and the label for printing can be confirmed in one screen, there will be no mistakes and effective disc issuing will be possible. In this way, using the 3 successive steps, the work can easily be carried out, from registration of data for writing to disc issuing. Total Disc Monitor. Work can be carried out with high efficiency using the Total Disc Monitor, which administers the disc issuing. When disc issuing is being carried out, Total Disc Monitor starts running to allow confirmation of all the information necessary for issue administering. The display of the processing time for each job allows prior confirmation of the time required for disc production. The display of the number of discs that have been issued allows confirmation of the issuing progress. The display of the amount of ink remaining for each color can be understood at a glance from the ink remaining volume display. Warnings are given when the inks run low, and issuing will stop when the inks run out. The display of the number of discs that can be printed allows large volume printing and nighttime operation, in which equipment is left unattended for long periods, to be carried out with peace of mind. In addition, the operation condition and errors will be displayed. Since it is possible to confirm all of the information required for administering the disc issuing using a single screen, work can be carried out with high efficiency. Direct printing, without using the dedicated application. Direct printing of original labels that have been created using applications other than the dedicated application, Epson Total Disk Maker, is also possible. Using the printer driver, original labels can be efficiently produced from applications often used for original label creation, such as Photoshop and Illustrator, in a manner similar to that when using your usual printer, without the trouble of converting the data. TD Bridge. TD Bridge is a software application to link Epson's disk producer with your office network. Connecting the disk producer to a computer with Total Disk Maker installed provides a complete standalone disk-making system. But now, by simply installing TD Bridge also, you can make this system part of your office network and greatly improve efficiency by directly transferring data and issuing publish commands from any networked computer. By linking TD Bridge to your application software, you can even further improve productivity. Links are made using a text file, so there is no need to choose a programming language. Text files in the Monitor folder let you check job status for items such as ink levels, disk output quantities, and errors, all in real time. You can use Total Disk Maker to add an automatic date stamp to previously set disk label contents and layouts, or use Total Disk Maker's edit functions to modify fonts and text layouts. And TD Bridge has its own function for inserting names and data into templates to match each job. Since each user can develop application software to work with their own system, TD Bridge allows Disk Producer to be used for almost any application or job. Disk Producer. Epson.